Okay guys, now I am going to teach you question. Aparna madam, mute your device please. Right. So here we are having three patterns: am, is, are. Write down everyone. Write down am, is, are. Then arrange subject. So which subjects do we have? I, you, we, they, he, she, it, right? Okay, I write these above. Okay. For I, how can we ask a question? Am I? I am antam kada. So am I? Am I? Write down am here. And you, we, they, we use are. That means are you? Are we? Are they? Write down everyone. Next, he, she, it. He, she. So now when we are asking question, is he, is she, is it? Remaining part is same. Verb 1 plus inform plus object plus time word. If you arrange in this sequence, your question will be arranged properly. Okay. So like this you have to arrange. See, am I right? ing, writing. Am I writing? Object, notes. Now, am I writing notes now? This is the question guys. Okay. Am I writing notes now? Next questions I will teach you first. Then I will teach you individually one question and how to answer. Okay. Now, are you, are we, are they, or whatever the subject you want to say here, you have to. Okay. Are subject and V1 plus inform. Are you going to HYD now? At present, whatever the time word. Whenever you want to ask here, that time word you have to use here. Okay? Is he? Is she? Is it? Now, is he watching? Watching. Is he watching TV now? Here I am using time word now only guys. Why? Because this is the now topic. If I use same time word, you will be remember easily. Okay? Have you any doubts anyone? Unmute and ask me. Otherwise I will teach you at a time. Okay, did you write? Okay. Now, let's go with single subjects. Okay? Right. Now, am I writing notes now? We are having two answers. Right? Yes? No. So, yes and no. Two answers we are having. Here, am I? నేను notes రాస్తున్నానా? నేను రాస్తున్నానా? Listen everyone carefully. Here you will get confused. నేను రాస్తున్నానా? నేను చేస్తున్నానా? నేను తింటున్నానా? ఇలా నేను చేస్తున్నానా అని మనం ఎదుటి వాళ్ళని అడిగినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు? మీరు చేస్తున్నారు, మీరు చేయడం లేదు అంటారు కదా. సో whenever you have I subject in question, you have to say that you subject here in answer. You subject తో ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. Then you have to shuffle this like the way. Means subject place లో helping verb రావాలి, helping verb place లో subject. You are. You వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది మరి? You are అంటాము కదా. సో you are writing notes now. Positive. Are negative? Aren't. You aren't writing notes now. I వచ్చినప్పుడు you రావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్లో సింపుల్ లాజిక్ గైస్. Whenever you want to say answer, just you have to shuffle like this for positive answer. సబ్జెక్ట్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ స్టార్టింగ్లో వస్తే అది క్వశ్చన్, సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది స్టార్టింగ్లో వస్తే అది ఆన్సర్. గాట్ ఇట్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద సింపుల్ లాజిక్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Here another subject is are. Are you going to Hyderabad now? Now you have to shuffle like this. You subject, whenever we are using in question, we have to arrange answers with I subject, right? So I and I వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమనాలి? am అనాలి. am. So I am going to Hyderabad now. మీరు ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్తున్నారా? మీరు అంటే నేను వెళ్తున్నా, నేను వెళ్ళడం లేదనాలి కదా. సో I am is positive, I amn't is negative. Amn't going to Hyderabad now. Okay, done? Any doubts, guys? Okay, next. Is is using for he she subjects. So is Ramu watching TV now? ఇప్పుడు రాము టీవీ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాడా? You can shuffle like this again. Ramu is coming to first place. Ramu. Is going to second place. Ramu is watching TV now. Negative is Ramu isn't watching TV now. Okay? Got it? So simple, right? Have you any doubts, anyone? Please unmute and ask me. If you don't have any doubts, you have to arrange questions by using this sequence and write answer by shuffling like this. Helping verb plays subject, subject plays helping verb. Okay? Check your sentences like that. Okay. Any more doubts, anyone?
Madam?
Please. Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
మేడం మొత్తం బ్లర్ అవుతుంది మేడం మీది వీడియో.